Okay, hello internet. Today is Sunday, the 28th of October. Almost done with October. How crazy is that? So this week, my blog is quite late from Wednesday to Sunday. But I've been kind of busy with exams and stuff, and it's been hectic, and I've kind of forgotten. But that's okay, because here we are. So the week that was had my 3 exams. I'm now totally done with university for this year, so looking for a job if anyone wants to give me one, or just give me money for doing nothing. That'd be good also. So done with uni, and I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Done with uni. What else happened? Last night went to a gig that my boyfriend's band was in. Yeah, it was good. I really enjoyed it. There were like 6 bands playing, I think. His bass player organised it all, which was actually really cool. It was a good night. Not many people turn up, but it was awesome. I really enjoyed it, and I went with Emma. You got your name in there. And Eva and Peter. And it was awesome. What else happened? I went to Ponsonby Food Court for dinner. That shit is the best. Chicken satay from the Thai place. Check it out. $10. 4 little skewers, rice, sauce, just delicious. What else? Oh, today I went to the Italian festival at, I think it's called Freeman's Bay Primary. I know, I'm like next to it all the time, but I never actually know what it's called. But it was really cool. It was yummy food, and there were little children singing Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and it was really fun. And then went to the beach and stuff, because it was a really nice day. It was cool. Went to Westmere Roast and got a potato roll. Anyway, let's not talk about what I've eaten all week, because that's not interesting for anybody. Made Christmas cake as well this weekend, which is awesome, very exciting. Mum does this awesome, like, chocolate Christmas cake, which is really cool. And Gabriel didn't understand why making Christmas cake so early. And the idea is that, you know, every couple of days you pour alcohol on it, and it's all moist and yummy, and it sits for a while, and it's delicious. And that's just what you do. You make Christmas cake in October so that it's ready for Christmas. What else? Oh, funny story about my exams. So Thursday was my psychology exam, and there was this girl sitting next to me, and I'm pretty sure wasn't prepared at all for the exam, kind of bombed out, and you had to stay in for, it was a 2-hour exam, you had to stay in for the first hour. End of the first hour, she left straight away, and all the doors at uni open automatically. They press a little button and they go open. And so she went to press the button, but she pressed the wrong one. She ended up pressing the emergency exit button. Don't quite know what that does, because the door didn't open, and it just left like a meep sound, like, across the whole room. And then, hang on one second. Out of battery. And anyway, and people were, like, looked up to see what the sound was, which was fine. And then you think you'd get back to work and be like, it's a beeping sound. Lasted for 2 minutes. And the girl didn't, no. So then after the exam, people were posting on Facebook, that beeping sound was so annoying, rawr, totally lost my train of thought. I hate that girl. Angry, angry, angry. And I was like, get over it. And then a guy commented, I asked the lecturer about it, and he said that apparently because, yeah, the noise shouldn't have bothered us, so we don't get any extra time or reconsideration or anything. And then some other guy commented, you should have roundhouse kicked him in the face. This is all on Facebook, by the way. And I was just like, calm the fuck down. Like, it doesn't matter. Just go, there's a beeping sound. All good. Right. Get the fuck over it. Like, you weren't on the brink of curing cancer. You were doing an Introduction to Psychology A exam, which you'd already had an hour in, so, like, you should be pretty sweet. Get a distraction for 2 minutes and get back onto it. Just like, harden the fuck up, people. People of AUT University, harden the fuck up. Yeah, so I was not impressed. It's just frustrated me so much. And that poor girl will probably be like, you know, feeling so bad because she would have read all those comments on the Facebook page as well. Just wasn't nice. It was just unnecessary rudeness. I hate unnecessary rudeness. A little bit like Hannibal Lecter, I guess. Anyway, don't eat people. Oh, Halloween coming up, Wednesday. Got my costume, show you it, because I'll do another video on Wednesday. Show you it, it'll look beautiful. Might try put some pictures on my blog as well, should be cool. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that. Make another one on Wednesday. Have a good week. Bye.